So you're eating healthy, but you're gaining weight, and also you're not losing weight. You're eating on time, you're following any kind of intermittent fasting or different types of fasting methods, but you're still not losing weight or you're still gaining weight. This could be due to multiple factors. Hi, I'm Lakshmi Tejasvi. I'm a clinical and sports nutritionist. I'm here to tell you what is the reason that you're still gaining weight amongst eating healthy also. So this could be due to many factors. First, let's take up one major factor, that is stress. Everybody today are leading a very stressful life. Could be any stress factor that is causing them. So that could be one reason. And you're not sleeping on time. You're not sleeping enough. Some people are sleeping just 5 hours or 4 hours or 6 hours. That may not be sufficient. And this could lead to stress hormones elevation in the body, which means your stress hormones are increasing in the body, which is leading to different factors like your hunger hormone is increasing, wherein you're feeling hungry more and more, and how much ever you eat, it is not sufficing for your body and for your mind also, which means you're eating a good amount of healthy food, that is, you're eating little amount of brown rice and you're eating good amount of your protein and your fiber meal, but still it's not sufficient for you. You're feeling more hungry. So this could be one reason. So also giving your body enough amount of sleep gives your body and mind a lot of rest, which helps in reducing the stress hormone levels. That is one reason. Your cortisol levels being very high, this could be one reason why you're gaining weight even though you're eating healthy and you're exercising also, but you're not losing weight. So check your cortisol levels. Also see what is that is causing you this excessive stress and excessive cortisol levels, and try to reduce that. Next, also it could be you're eating extremely calorie dense foods. So calorie dense foods means there are certain foods that are very heavy in calories but are very healthy also. Like for example, avocados. Avocados are very healthy. They're very healthy fats. Nuts and seeds like your almonds, pistachios, your sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds. Now it's a routine in most of everyday life that everybody is including these nuts and seeds. Some are including even avocados, which is a very fancy food, but they eat a one full avocado every day, or they eat like 15-20 almonds or pistachios, or eat like 3-4 spoons of pumpkin seeds or chia seeds or flax seeds. Remember one thing, that these are extremely dense in calories. So extremely dense in calories means they're high in fats, though they look very small in quantity. So you need to remember, even though these are healthy, you need to eat them in smaller quantities. So eating every day one full avocado will not do any good. So eating like half avocado, and not every day but 2 times in a week, is okay. And nuts and seeds have an accountability. How much are you eating and at what time are you eating, and with along with what other foods are you eating. So eat like 5 almonds or 6 almonds or maximum 10 almonds. Have like 1 teaspoon of these seeds, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds or 1 teaspoon of flax seeds or 1 teaspoon of pumpkin seeds. Don't eat excessively because they are healthy. So without your knowledge, they are also causing some harm to you. So this could be one reason. And another reason could be that you're following intermittent fasting but you're not losing weight. It's not necessary that intermittent fasting can work for everybody. Probably this is not working for you. So try to meet a dietitian, speak to a nutritionist, see whether intermittent fasting is working for you or no, and then see maybe fasting is not right for you. Maybe eating a regular like 3 meals in a day, what we are used to eating for years together, maybe that may help you and break that pattern, and see whether it is going to help you in lose weight. So you're eating healthy, you're eating the right proportions, you're not eating excessive calorie dense foods, you're also exercising, but you're not having enough amount of water, and this is not good for your body. Your body will lead to dehydration, your gut health will be affected. So sometimes when the gut health is also affected, and when you're dehydrated also, it will not help you in lose weight, and it will have the reverse effect, wherein it is going to help it is going to gain weight also in your body. So make sure you're also giving good amount of hydration to your body. I hope this video and this information has been helpful to you. If you have any further queries or want to know more in depth on your health and need any assistance on nutrition, please do contact us and leave a comment below. We will get back to you.